Good morning, everyone. So I'm on the way to the boat ramp to meet the captain. Captain Xavier is his name, and hopefully we're going to get out and get on some trout, redfish, black drum, and maybe a tarpon. We'll see. It's early morning. I couldn't really sleep all that well. I woke up at like 4:45. Yeah. But it's about 6 o'clock now. I'm supposed to be there in 15 minutes. I'll probably be there in 25 minutes, but I'm doing the best that I can. I'm excited, man, to get out on the water, do some fishing, and hopefully catch a lot of fishies, so let's do it. So I made it to the dock, about to jump on the boat. It was about a 30-minute ride up here. So I'm ready to get some fishing on. Do it. What?
I just like took a random blind cast, and as soon as my bait landed, I felt the very thing you're probably wrapped on your tip. Very distinguishable crump of baby tarpon.
Oh yeah.
It's similar.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
Redfish.
Gotcha. Oh wow, look at it. That's them right there, isn't it?
Might get an opportunity here. Go ahead and hop up here. If we get close, I might switch you over to crab. Sometimes the drum are more prone to crab.
That's a nice size. Yeah. Yeah. Not bad at all. Oh, you're good.
I'm great at knocking that in.
It's not the most stable little thing. This is so convenient. That's a nice little sea trout.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Get a little picture of you with him.
Yeah.
Hold that stick out.
Well, we took a little break. We just stopped up on shore to hit the restroom real quick. Man, the water is so clear here, it's insane. But it's been a little slow. We've seen tons of fish, so like big old schools of redfish and black drum, tarpon this morning, but none of them cooperated. So it's getting about midday, and we're gonna head to a different spot and do some fishing. But it's been super exciting. We caught just a trout and a ladyfish so far. We've seen a lot more. That's the cool part. I should have brought my good camera so I could actually get some good video of this stuff.
Maybe let's get this one. Let's keep him up high. Don't worry so much about pumping. Just keep it high and real.
Okay. Oh. Oh yeah.
Come back here left hard. Go down low if you go to the boat.
Look at that.
Back up to the sky. Hold that line level.
Got him.
Ooh,
Heck yeah,
shot,
brother. That's a nice one, man.
Dude, there was like 200 of these next to the boat.
That is crazy.
That wouldn't bite. There's like a couple of them here to get one to bite. That's crazy.
That's pretty cool. I'm gonna do like a water release with him. Oh, he didn't last very long. Whew. He had to earn that one, that's for sure. Yeah. Man, with a heat like this, it's...
We had to work for that one.
Yeah.
Where's he at?
I got him. He's still home.
Drag a little bit.
Right there.
Man, that's that one.
Yep. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a great time out fishing with Captain Xavier, and we caught quite a few nice fish. So if you could, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you again for watching, and hope y'all have a blessed week. And we'll see you next time.